Ohm Energy Savers is proud to introduce Lumen O-Pole, a powerful mobile lighting solution. This system delivers an astounding 40,000 lumens of illumination, powered by its advanced LED technology and a robust battery pack. Featuring 6 powerful LED light heads, each capable of delivering approximately 6,700 lumens. These light heads are fully adjustable, allowing you to position them vertically or at a slant angle to suit your illumination needs. The 6 adjustable light heads can be aligned to focus illumination in a 180-degree front direction, enabling you to concentrate all 40,000 lumens exactly where you need it most. The 6 adjustable light heads can also be positioned to provide a full 360-degree illumination, spreading all 40,000 lumens in every direction for complete coverage. The front panel is equipped with 2 USB ports for direct mobile charging, along with a dedicated charging port for connecting the electrical charger to power up the internal battery. Additionally, it features an inverter on/off switch that activates a mini inverter, perfect for charging a laptop, tablet, or even a satellite phone. The system is powered by a BIS certified, high-performance lithium-ion battery, offering uninterrupted backup for either 120 or 240 minutes, depending on the model you choose. The system features a mode switch, allowing you to easily shift between low, medium, and high modes to suit your lighting needs. The system is equipped with waterproof switches and connectors for durability in any environment. It also includes a 4-level battery indicator, allowing you to easily monitor battery levels while the system is in use. Housed in a sturdy, robust, and waterproof all-weather carry case, the system's electronics and battery are well protected. With an IP66 rating, it's built to withstand heavy rains, ensuring no water penetrates inside. In the event of a depleted battery, the system can seamlessly switch to generator power, ensuring you can continue working in emergencies without interruption. With an IP65 rating, the system operates seamlessly even in heavy rains, ensuring reliable performance in all weather conditions. The heavy-duty stainless steel tripod can be extended up to 14 feet, offering stability in various conditions. It's designed to withstand wind speeds of up to 40 km per hour and wind gusts reaching 60 km per hour, ensuring reliable support even in challenging environments. Proudly made in India by Ohm Energy Savers, this powerful and durable lighting system is a vital tool for disaster management, defense services, and emergency responders. With its reliable performance in all weather conditions and versatile power options, it ensures you have the illumination you need, when and where it matters most.